Alright, you see the ingredients here. Give or take a couple things. Of course, I'm going to go back with the Uncle Steve's SPG. Season up these potatoes. I am sort of cheating here a little bit. I love these things. They're so great. They're in the refrigerated section at the grocery store. And it's just shredded potatoes. But I use these simple potatoes because it's already done for me. I like to get this fine. We got cheese, cream cheese, Uncle Steve's. We got some garlic. And this sausage here, love this stuff, man. But they're out of Mississippi. Uh, Hattiesburg, Hattiesburg. Glasses, that even glasses, that small print. Hattiesburg. It's up there near Rush with smoked rib barbecue. Smoked rib barbecue. It's up near him actually. I asked him about it. He said, yeah, he knows of the area. But sweet heat, great stuff. We're gonna grill that up a little bit on this last thing also. Let me get a little better prepared, and we'll bring it back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this whole 1-pound bag of these potatoes in here. I think I have enough of the other products, ingredients rather here to accommodate for this. And actually, what I'm hoping that will happen is that I'll have enough of these potato cakes made so that I can actually put some wax paper and freeze it. So that's the whole bag right there. About half of a 8-ounce bar of cream cheese. And then we'll look at it from there. I might come back and add some more. I'll throw it. I like these. All right, that's about 4 ounces of cream cheese. How about that? I'm gonna put just more of this. Put about a tablespoon of minced garlic in there. And I've got some bags of cheese here I need to use up. We got the Mexican cheese here. I just need to get it used. It's already open. And I got a leftover bag of farm-style shredded mozzarella. The only difference is just it's shaved differently. I actually like. And then we're going to come in with some Uncle Steve's SPG. I'm just going by eye. That's just a little bit more than 3 teaspoons. And then I'm going to spice it up a little bit with Uncle Steve's Texas Cajun seasoning. About 2 teaspoons, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to come back in with a few of my peppers from the garden. I'm not going to go real crazy with these cayennes. I just want, some bite in there periodically. Here, we're just going to keep stirring this. I'm wishing that cream cheese was a little softer, but I'll make it work. We'll bring it back here in a little bit. Alright, so I did end up using the other half of that cream cheese. It's still sitting over here in the bowl. I haven't quite finished mixing it all together yet. back around to being straight. Excellent. Now this cake, you can see it. A little butcher shop, Hattiesburg, Mississippi, called Sweet Fire Smoked Sausage. Honey, if you like sausage, you're gonna love this. All right, they're on the griddle, starting to fry up. All right, we got that cream cheese in there mixed in. You know, you can actually use sour cream if you want to. It probably, no doubt, it would mix in easier than the cream cheese does, but the cream cheese just sounded better to me. So we're going to chop up, I don't know, maybe close to a 1/4 cup here. So I'm going to sprinkle these in here. I did drain the juice off of these. Let me just give this a stir. Yeah, we're going in with the rest of these. All right, we're going to get these stirred in, and then we'll bring it back. All right, we're going to bring in for just the last one. I had to get things going because my sausage is going to be on that griddle too long if I drug my feet too much more. But this is going to be a huge potato cake. But of course, I had to wash my gloves off just so I could turn the camera on. How much sense does that make? Alright, there you go. Alright, so we got 12 Mexican chili cream cheese potato cakes out of that full bag. We're going to bring up the temp on the Blackstone, and so we can get a nice little quick sear on these potato cakes. You can see, I think, there you go. Our sausage pieces are ready. They're waiting on me. Use one more time. Just know how fast these things are going to cook up. Coming apart a little bit, but once that cream cheese starts to melt, it'll stiffen up. We'll bring it back. All right, there it is. I had to get that door closed. This is the only way in or out of the. I need to plan my times better because everybody's coming home from work and the road traffic is killing me. So here we go. Mexican green chili, cream cheese potato cakes, and a savory, hot and sweet sausage out of Mississippi. Oh my God. We didn't have to take all them pictures. I guarantee you, That cream cheese probably would have been a little oozy. Oozing. Excellent. Again. Well, I want to thank y'all while you watch me eat dinner. Good stuff. Excellent.